locked. It looks like someone tried to take off this handle. Locksmith? Hey. Oh, I'm at the wrong one? Oh. I'm in a white van. I'm waving at you. Is this it right here, the one I'm at? Okay. How long is this handle? Man, that'd be too long. Damn. You missed the magic. Let's do the other side.
So the last time when you were here, they only told you to make the ignition key.
Yeah.
But we're missing the bigger picture. We also need the key for, you know.
Do this one too?
Yeah. I don't know how it got locked. Let me see the back door. The guy said it was...
If you push that in, it'll lock.
This one in?
Yeah.
This one, okay. Let me check on the back side. They said it was not locked.
Say it again?
No, this one. Okay.
Is there a lock on the outside too for that?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
You'd have to, that one you would have to drill and replace it if you don't have the key.
Yeah.
Well, you can.
So all these days, only this one was open. So, but some reason, you know, yesterday it was locked.
Someone locked it?
Yeah, he must have, you know, mistakenly locked it. Just
From the inside?
Yeah.
You want me to open this one too?
Yeah. I mean, can we unlock it from inside?
If you, I don't think it, we can open it. I don't think it'll unlock though. That's good. So that's still locked though.
Yeah.
Here, look, I'll show you. Oh, there is a number on there.